Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So we're back with another yarn review. I know, I'm so excited too. This one is a Red Heart Mini. I found this teeny tiny cake at Joann's a couple weeks ago and it's precious. I have a couple other like colors back there, but look at how cute this is. I have no idea what I would make with it, but I'm excited to swatch it up and see how it is because it's so pretty and so small. There's a couple patterns on the different labels and I'll show you like with the pictures of them, but now I want to design something with it because it's so cute and so small. So I'm gonna grab my hook and we're gonna get started here in just a second. Hi friends, don't forget, when you click the link below and subscribe today to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only are you getting access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also getting this amazing project bag that I use every single day and these ergonomic hooks. So click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. All right, so we are back with probably our last yarn review of the month. We have these super adorable Red Heart mini skeins, which I'm super excited about. They're so small, like so small. So these are a 4-weight yarn. They recommend a 5mm hook. They are 100% acrylic and they have 72 yards. Do they all have 72 yards? They do. This is in the color Rosebud, this is in the color Hearts, and this is in the color Spring Mix. But they are so cute. Machine wash and dry. They are precious. Now, they only have like pom-pom and bracelet patterns on them. You could probably make like a little bag with them for like a small human or like a doll sweater or something, because 72 yards really isn't that much. But they're beautiful. They're really cute. I saw them when I went to the store and I was like, okay, I need to check these out. But yeah, it's just Red Heart yarn. It is soft though. Like it's a little bit like fuzzy. I don't know if you can kind of see it. It's a little bit fuzzy. But let's see if I can get it to focus. And it's a little bit loose now that I've taken it out. So we're gonna see. I'm just gonna swatch this one up really quick to see what it looks like, how it works, if it's just similar to like a regular Red Heart Super Saver or something. Okay, so I just did 2 rows of half double crochets. It is kind of fuzzy. And also, y'all are gonna have to forgive my nails for like the next 4 months because I'm in the garden 24/7. We have a big veggie garden and I'm just gonna have to start painting my nails. It's fine. But yeah, it is kind of fuzzy. It doesn't split as bad as I thought it would, especially for it like looking like it would split really bad. As long as you hold tension on it, it does its thing. And it's fine. But yeah, it's not bad. I mean, they were like, I think they were like $1.99 or $2 at the store. I got them at Joann's. I've been to Joann. I went there like a couple weeks ago, 4 weeks ago or something like that, and I just bought a ton of yarn, so I'm slowly working my way through it. But yeah, so they're really cute. They're really precious. I wish it came with more tiny patterns. Like these little fuzzy, like the pom-poms with the little googly eyes are hilarious to me. And like this blush color, I love this. I love this one a lot. But yeah, so they're really cute. I don't know what else you would make with them, but they are really precious. But have you guys used these before? Have you guys made anything with them? What would you make with them? Because I don't know. Like a little bag, a little sweater. I don't know. Let's see how they frog. Oh yeah, that's fine. Comes apart just fine. It's like a little bit softer than the Red Heart Super Saver, but not quite as soft as the Red Heart Soft, if that makes any sense. But yeah, let me know what you would make with them, because I really have no idea. They're cute though, so I wouldn't mind just collecting them, but I feel like I would need to have a purpose for them. So yeah, so just let me know in the comments below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!